Good morning and a very warm welcome to Phil Weaver Automotive, based here in Merebrow between Preston and sunny Southport. And today certainly that sun is trying to break through, so hopefully a pleasant day today, unlike the weather we've had recently over the last 2 or 3 days. This morning we are delighted to offer this stunning BMW 120i M Sport 3-door hatch. It's the 2-litre petrol with the sports automatic transmission. The car was registered in May 2017. The car has just over 10,000 miles, 1 former keeper, so 2 in total, and the car started life as a demonstrator with BMW. We have bought the car direct from a private customer, and the vehicle is now here with us. The car has recently come back from the workshop, which is just down the road from us, a local independent garage who carry out our servicing, MOTs, repairs, and importantly our pre-delivery inspection. We provide a written confirmation of each PDI. We give a copy to our customers and keep a copy for our records. We've been in business, been in the motor trade for over 35 years, very passionate about the industry, our business, and passionate about the service we provide our customers. Here at Phil Weaver Automotive, we provide our customers with finance with Motonovo, and we provide our extended warranty cover through Warranty Wise. I'm going to take you around the car. As I say, this vehicle is absolutely stunning. I'm going to take you around the front. It's that clean. Very, very difficult to point anything out at all. It's certainly been lovingly cared for over its term. So Alpha Juliet 17 Bravo Kilo Kilo is the registration number. It's a bit of dust. A little bit of dust. It's a little bit windy out there. I think it's just blowing a little bit of muck in. Just lovely. Now this car is equipped with some lovely options as well. I'll just run through them. We've got the 18-inch M light double spoke alloys, which are in beautiful condition. We've got the Bridgestone Potenza tyres. Absolutely plenty of tread on them. We have the Black Dakota leather. We have the DAB digital radio, interior comfort package, sports automatic transmission I've mentioned. It also has the paddle shift, Bluetooth with USB audio, drive performance control, heated seats, satellite navigation, and sun protection glass. Just to show you the alloys again, just fabulous. Just down the lines of the car. Into the boot. There we go. Stowage net, the battery in the rear, the all-important locking wheel nut key, got the 60/40 split rear seating, and in here we have the warning triangle and the towing eye, screwdriver, etc. the rear parking sensors in the bumper and the twin exhaust pipes on the left hand side really do set the rear of the car off. The M Sport badging on the wing. Again, just coming to the driver's side alloy. Jump in the car. A lovely door card in the black with the aluminium inlays, door mirrors and electric windows, with the M Sport badge on the kick plate. Seating, which is recline, height adjustable, lumbar, cushion tilt. Extending the front of the seat and then adjustment underneath there for bringing you backwards and forwards. Just lovely Black Dakota leather. Hard to say if the back of the car has actually been sat in. The anthracite headlining. I shall just jump in the car. Straighten the steering wheel. There we go. So we have 10,296 miles to be precise. We have the auto headlights, front and rear fog lights, the rear stat to brighten and dim the lights behind the dash, auto wipers and indicators. We have the paddle shift to bring you down the gearbox and to take you back up the gears. We have the volume for the radio, which is also DAB digital radio. That changes the station on the radio, as you can see there as well. And we have the phone for the Bluetooth. Speed limiter, which you can actually set on the dash. So you can see there it's set at 20 miles an hour. Press that again, you'll see, there we are, both limiter, the dot, and limit below near the mileage. And we also have the cruise control as well. As you can see, that's ready. We have the stop start button and also the stop start for when the car is warmed up, batteries in full operation, and you come to a junction, put your foot on the brake, the engine cuts out. When you're ready to set off and release your foot from the brake, the engine restarts, so saving your fuel. We have the center console, armrest, Bluetooth and aux in. Sorry, not Bluetooth, USB and aux connection, sorry. We have the iDrive with media, radio, menu, telephone and navigation. So if I go up to the screen here, just turning the dial, you'll see the navigation move. That's us here in Mere Brow, giving you an overview between Preston and Southport. And that's the sort of the northwest there, not far from Liverpool, a little bit further away from Manchester. We have the control for the gears, so the gear stick, we're in park currently, so if we push that little button in and move it forward for reverse, you'll get the rear sensors will come up. So as you start to move closer to the object, they will start to beep. Down into neutral and then squeezing again into drive. You can also sort of use these by going over as a semi-auto, so that sort of takes you up and down the gearbox, very similar to that of the paddles. And you'll see it changes to M1 rather than D for drive because you're in the manual position. Here we have the settings. So if I point to the dash, to the display, and we push the, bear with me a second, let's just come out of the, there we go. So we're in Sport Plus. Now Sport Plus mode takes away the traction control, so be very careful. We come down again into Sport, driving dynamic, into Comfort, which tends to be when you go into these settings, Comfort seems to be the one. And you also have Eco Pro, which is efficient driving. We have the cup holders. Importantly, 2 keys. We have the book pack, locking wheel nut key you've seen, 2 keys, book pack, and all the paperwork. You have this nice blue line, which tells you that it is the M Sport model, where if it was red, it would be the Sport model. Dual climate control for passenger and driver. We have heated front seats, passenger and driver, and you just press them in until they're off. Got the auto lock, that will automatically happen when you're driving and pulling away anyway. Media, that's my phone there, Racing Guy. So we have we're able to stream our music from the phone to the iDrive, which therefore plays the songs. We have the radio, which is on DAB, and then we have FM, AM and DAB. Telephone, and we have the navigation. And if I go into menu, we have multimedia, radio, telephone, navigation, contacts, connected drive, vehicle information. Vehicle status. So that's the last service. We have the first one on the digital printout. Go back there. Just go through the settings. So engine oil is not due to be changed until December 20 of 16,000 miles. You can just go through them settings. I've just come out of it actually. Just go back in again. Vehicle status. So same with vehicle check. December 20, 16,000 miles again. Inspection due, which is the MOT, it's July next year. Brake fluid change due January 22. Front pads, 27,000 miles worth of wear there to go, and rear pads 28,000. So this is called condition-based servicing. So the car tells you when the vehicle is ready to be serviced. Whoops, still in drive, into neutral there. So I'm going to jump outside the car. If there's anything further you need, please give us a call. You can get me on 01772 396 528. Alternatively, you can contact us through our social media platforms: Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and Twitter. All our cars are, before they are delivered or collected, are fully sanitised with the COVID-19. We are a COVID-19 secure business. We also offer free UK delivery to your home or place of work. All we ask is that the vehicle is reserved online with a £99 deposit. That confirms that the vehicle has been reserved, and we can then make arrangements to get the vehicle down to home or work Don't need to send us any other money until we get there, and then the transfer can be done and paid into our account. All we ask is to get us to the nearest train station so we can get back to the business. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much indeed.